Our custodians have been hitting door handles, door frames, walls, bathrooms. Our staff is working hard to clean as many areas as possible to help limit the spread of any illnesses that are out there. They have been working day and night on 2 different shifts to make sure that that happens.
We've been wiping everything down with disinfectant wipes and just trying to keep the building safe and the workers, all the faculty, staff, and everybody from getting it. We've been hitting all the way from the ceiling all the way down to the floor with disinfectant wipes, all major grab points, water fountains, everything. We have the appropriate PPE, protective equipment, and just going about it the right way.
Now we're getting ready to move over into summer cleaning mode and doing scrubbing and waxing so that when we do have school again, which we will, that the buildings will be ready to go for that. Sodexo and Nixa Schools have partnered with a company to do a UVC pilot program with SB, and we've installed UV bulbs in 39 units, which is the entire building. The UV bulbs help kill pathogens that are moving in the air. So anytime that the air kicks on in heating and cooling season, the UVC bulbs are working, killing the pathogens that pass through there. We're looking at this as a hopefully asthmatic prevention to where our asthmatic cases are lower, and then absenteeism will be lower in the classroom as well. With everything that's going on in our world right now with COVID and things like that, I think that it's a great tool, and I'm hoping that it works. Eventually maybe one day deploy it to all of our buildings to where the indoor air quality is the best that it can be.